Well, made my bed. It's not perfect, I know. That's because I have too much gear in my car. Don't touch the beer. No problem. I have this thing here. Normally I don't bring it with me. That's my pillow. That's my blanket. There's something hanging around out here. It's a little chair. Let it be. It's only for a couple of hours. What's the car doing there? Really? Oh, come on, screw you. Such a nice secluded spot, really. Big lights shining directly into my car. Parked in the wrong way. Bunch of losers. It is really unbelievable. Complete family. I'll just park somewhere else. Too many people on this planet. Camera still hanging out? Yeah, it is. Anyway, you saw my bed. I'm gonna take a nap. See you later. Hello again, a few minutes later. It's not that I hate people, but I don't get it. I'm on a very large parking space. Big parking lot. It's a kind of circle around the toilet area. There was only one car there. It was my car. And then some big car comes over, parking straight out my window. I just don't get it. Yeah, that pissed me off. But okay, anyway, my pillow. That's me. Don't mention the hair. I'm sort of cramped up, you think. But no, it's big enough, it's high enough, it's long enough, it's not bad at all. The back is totally blacked out. You see, I think you don't see anything, although the light is on. Let's turn the lights off. Then you see that there, there's a little bit of light, but not very much. There's a light coming from the front. That's because I did not bring my front blackout. That has to do with the thing that something broke, and the whole construction that I made is a little bit bad, so I'm not gonna use it. I have to think of something else. That is also not really blacked out. I've got a window shock on. Makes it a little bit better, and the back windows are tinted, factory, so it's not that bad. And if I close my eyes, I don't see anything. I tried some blinds for my eyes, the thing that you put on your eyes, but I just don't like it. I tried to sleep with that, but knowing that if I open my eyes I'm still blind is not my thing, so I'm not gonna do that anymore. I bought it for maybe 3-4 euros or so. Same with earplugs. I don't like them because it might help you sleep, like my eyes, no lights in your eyes, no sound in your ears. But I'm in a parking lot somewhere in France, alone again because the car left. I'm totally alone in my car, although I locked all the doors, but I need my sensors. That's why I do not use earplugs, and I dumped the blinds from my eyes. Not gonna do that. Anyway, it's around 4 o'clock or so. No idea. My phone is somewhere over there. I don't need it anyway. My keys are over there. They're lying here. So I can open and close the door. I just closed it. And I got my beer, but I'm in the car, so we're not gonna do that. See you later. I'm gonna try to take a nap. If it's an hour, it's okay. If it's half an hour, it's okay too. If it's 2 hours, it's okay too. And if it's full out 8 hours, then something's wrong with me, because even in my own bed I don't sleep 8 hours a night, maybe 6 or 5. See you later. Thanks for watching, and wish me a good night. I said wish me a good night. Nobody? I know who's gonna wish me a good night. Wait a minute, hold on. There's a microphone under there. Something like that. Come on, dude, where are you? Can I get him? Can I get him? Can I get him? Yeah, I got his nose. You see, there's always somebody who's gonna wish me good night. Dude, wish everybody good night and wish me good night. Good night, boss. If you still think I'm not an idiot, you're wrong. Bye bye. Good morning. A few hours later, I have no idea how late it is, but I just woke up and I slept like a king, I think. If you look at the sun, do I see sunshine? No. Yeah, I see sunshine. A little bit far away, so maybe I slept 4 hours, so I really don't know. We'll see later after the coffee. Okay. Bye bye. Wow, it's 6 something. Let's see. It's 6:40 a.m. That means that I slept over 2 hours. No, I'm not having a cold. So I slept way over 2 hours, which is it's a good thing for 2 things. 1, I got some rest. 2, the sun came up, as you can see. That makes driving a little bit easier. That's cool. Now I have to wipe my nose because I'm not sure. So I'm putting on my shoes. I just checked. I'm in the resting area, and the restaurant or whatever is over there, way back. They can do 2 things. They can take a walk, or I can just drive to the next one. For un croissant. I'll first have my coffee, and then I decide what I'm going to do after I wipe my nose. Wow, it's amazing. I'll show you. The sun just came out. For some reason I'm still in the shadow, but that will change very soon, so I have to try to find my sunglasses. Never mind, found them. Alright, see you later, bye bye.